Welcome everybody. Today we're going to be interviewing the wonderful Marshal of Stormwind. We've all been to Stormwind once in a while in our life, and we're just going to do a exclusive interview with the Marshal of that city. So let's meet him.
Woo! Yeah!
So, thank you for coming on to my show. Let's get right into the questions, So tell me, Mr. Marshal, how is it being a Stormwind Marshal?
Oh yeah, it's awesome. I love Stormwind City. It is an awesome city, very safe, by the way. And I love it because, you see everything, you see new things just about every darn day. And there's not a lot of villains, none of that fighting off the orcs. It's just an awesome city.
Interesting stuff, Marshal. Well, I thank you all for coming on to my show and watching my show. Stay tuned for the next week's episode. What are we? We're interviewing an orc. Yes, Mr. He's awesome. He's really good. It'll be an exciting episode. Thank you guys for watching.